Starting with one of these. This is the Van Nuys location. Checking the Caballeros section apparently. Is this Van Nuys? Is this Panorama? I don't know. I'm not putting the addresses down, dude. I'm not writing 8 different addresses down there. Do got these bad boys right here. Infinity ones. These are smaller size, 55. Guess I should be going to the women's section first, huh? Now think about it. Do got these size 11, 65. All right, checking the women's section. Not looking promising. This is the size 9.5. Size 11s and 10s. And I guess no Jordans. Do got these SB Forces. Force 58s, $35. Had a million questions about the A Ma Manieres and about what time they stock and what days they stock. It's all random, dude. It's all random. Unless you go to the same location 500 times and get to know their stocking patterns and stuff. I don't go to the same store like that. So, yeah, nothing in the women's over here. Let's go back to the men's. We've really been seeing a lot of these right there in that colorway. You can see them all over the store. They all go for 55. Moving on to the 10, 10.5. Got some 12s that are a little bit dirty. These are a little dirty. Yeah, these are going for 65. The Zoom Freak 5s going for 50. Couple of LeBrons and Jordan, 65 right here, and then Jordan 2s go for 70. What are these? Football cleats right here, $25 in the size 12. Another set of Jordan 2s, another one of those Infinity Run 4s. I guess all the Burlingtons ain't popping like that. Dang it. I had a million people asking, which Burlington did I find it at? First of all, they only had 2. And on top of that, I bought both of them. So that's why I didn't put the address down. By the time you guys get to most of the places, they're not going to be there unless I put it in a short anyway. So I don't put the addresses down for all the Burlingtons, man. There's a Ross right next door. I have a couple things to return, but line's pretty long. All right, we're going right to the sneaker section towards the back. Someone wearing way too much cologne over here. Size 8, A6, $50. I don't know which one they are. Some generic ones, I guess. Got some of these still going for regular price. More of these. Seen a million of these, I feel like. In the size 10s where I see some Jaw 1s. These are a size 9 though. $50. Some Reebok. What are these? The Zig something. I don't know. $38. Some, what are these? Waffles? Going for, these Challengers? Going for 45. Zoom Freak 5s, $50. Size 11s. Metcon 9s. Right here, $55, size 11.5. LeBron. Oh, these aren't 30, are they? Next Gen's going for 70. I was gonna say pretty mediocre chip, but do got some GT cuts right here. Are these GT cut 2s? But yeah, these are size 17 though. Go for 65. Huge ones of these as well. Can't see the price though. Can we? No, not really. Checking out the women's section where the aisles are very thin. Very thin. Damn, it's like even worse over here. What the hell? Alright, not really seeing much here. Alright, I'm gonna head out. Go to a mall in a bit. Got another one of these before I make it to the mall. Alright, do got the women's section. Apparently that's where we start. Bigger sizes. Some of y'all thinking I'm hiding the Burlington locations where they got them all or something. I went to like 5 different ones before I found one, dude. So it's not like they're sitting everywhere or I'm hiding a location. Some of you guys are just dumb. But dude, got these generic Adidas. Got some blazers right here, jumbo blazers, $40. Crazy some of them got heat because some of them are just way bare. Smaller size. Got some dunks. These look pretty decent. $55. These are size 6 women's. Interesting laces, and then got all white 90s right here. Air Max 90s going for 55. And then we've been seeing a ton of these Infinity Run Flyknits. These are going for 50 bucks. Once again, smaller size 5.5 dang. Now we're checking the men's section. We see a bunch of slides that I haven't seen before. We got LA Ram slides, $20. Got a couple size 9s. That's LA Rams, right? Because I also see these right here, more LA Rams, 20 bucks. I see size 12, I size 8. Vikings size 10s going for 20. Retail on these are 35. Got Charger size 15s right here. Got SC, USC size 14s. And then moving on to the sneaker section, or the actual sneaker section. $50 for the Lunar Roams. Also got the Zoom Freaks for 45. Here's some older Pegasus. Older Pegasus going for 50. Converse 35. More of the Zoom Freaks, older ones, 50 bucks. Next Gen's 55. Some Air Max here going for 55. Way too much. Size 9 Infinity Runs, 55. KD's down here, 55. Zoom Freak 6s going for 50. Size 9.5. 65 for those. Some of the trainers, or what is this? The Air Force 88s, 53. Got the 2s, got Zions. What these going for? What these going for? 55. Size 12s. Got one of these. Got one of those as well. And then the huge sizes right here. All right, not what we're looking for, but they have some decent stuff. I just realized that the Burlingtons, they make you stand right there in the front for a couple seconds so they can get you on camera. For the people that steal a bunch of stuff, they want you on camera so they can at least prosecute. That's what it is. I always wonder why they made people stand there for a few seconds before. Now we at the Northridge Mall. And I'm pretty sure they got a raffle here today. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. And you have to pick your stuff up till by noon now. Oh, wow. Trying to gauge how hard it's going to be to grab these. Release-wise, not seeing anything too crazy. Is that the Jordan 1 High? We're already on sale? Already $130? I cannot believe these are already on sale. Wow. I want to say these released like a month ago, right? Wow. And then got these. I don't know what the hell these are. The True Flights or something? True Flights. $110 for those. Well, I didn't even show the price, huh? $130 for these. Got the 2 3s going for $90. $100 for, what the hell are these called? The RMs. Jordan 4 RMs. These are pretty clean, dude. I can see myself wearing those. Those ain't bad at all, dude. Gum bottom as well, or partial gum bottom. Kind of a bread color. Kinda. Got some lows, got some mids, and then those have been there forever. I think those are what, the size 14s? Yup. I had this in my mouth while I was talking. I think that's about it, dude. That's about it. They've been having these Hoka Bondi 8s on sale. Such a good bargain. $110 for that one. This is also $110, and then this is a Clifton 9 10s just came out. $100 for those. But to be honest, I primarily came here to hit up the raffles, hit up a couple at least. Maybe I might go to another mall. I don't really have the hookups like I used to, so gotta put in a little work. Might be able to win on sneakers, but I don't know. But yeah, I got a few sales. Like, that's a pretty decent price on these. Gotta check Chic as well. Look at this, $50? $50 for LeBron 21s. Zimmy, or is that cheaper than the freaking Ross and Burlingtons? What the hell? They got these KDs right here for $75. The book ones down to $80. Then these Zoom Freaks have been on sale forever, right? But definitely surprised about that. That's what's up. That is what's up. Vomeros, they've been really well priced. They got the lighter color one now. color on the screen looks fine. It's just a lighter color, slightly lighter blue than the just straight blue one. That's one of the newer colorways. This older one right here, down to 90 bucks. That's not bad. That's not bad. And they got other ones for 100. Yeah, 100 bucks. And they got a few others for like 120 and stuff like that too. They got a raffle here at Chic as well. So of course I got on it. They have a separate raffle for the app, and then they have one in store that you use the app on as well. So okay, cool. With Foot Locker as well as Champs, you guys know to do the raffle on their app. So I did get on the Foot Locker app. I also got on the Chic, and then I did one raffle. I think that's enough. I'm not really gonna do too much. Right, they got a lids right here. They got a sign that says $10 hats, but I don't really see any team hats, just a bunch of janky hats like Mountain Dew. Okay, this shows $15. Dang it. Okay, they do got some hats right here. Anything that's marked 20 and under is 10 bucks. So, okay, got the semi-annual clearance sale kind of deal to it. Not too bad. Got Clippers hats right here. Got a Anaheim Angels one, trucker hat. Dodgers one right here. Oh, that one's 25 though. Oh, New York hat right here. A couple Yankees hats. These are fitted hats for 20 bucks. So $10, not bad. Grizzlies fitted for 10 bucks. And anything marked 25 and over, that is the listed price. So yeah, these are going for 25 bucks. These are going for 30. That's actually pretty dope material and stuff. Still got some decent deals. Not crazy though, but not too shabby. That Braves one, pretty dope. JD Sports, they did do exclusive access, but the last several releases, they've had extra pairs, so people have been picking up. People have been picking up the metallic 5s. They were picking up 2 at a time, so might have to check these fools out on release day if I can't get mine. All right, we're out in North Hollywood now. And at this spot, women's sneakers, men's sneakers all together. And I did peruse the women's section to see if they had any Jordans. And no, not really. Not really. They got these. What the hell? What the hell? 50 bucks for these. I saw Dunks over here. These are the highs. Going for 50 bucks. All right, moving on to the men's section now. Got some interesting find. Men's size 7 Air Max 90s right here. Going for 55. Got, what are these, speed turfs? Grade school speed turfs, $40. And of course, plenty of those. P6000 size 8s go for 50. Got Hyperdunk 2017 all black, 45 for these size 8s. 3 different LeBrons, 65, 65, and 60. Okay. Oh wait, we got another one right here. All kinds of LeBrons. These are 55 for the next gens. Got some Chuck 70s and a 9.5 right here, go for 40. Got the size 10.5s. Now $60 for these. These definitely are not 10.5s. $40 for these. What, size 14 or something? 11, 12, 13s on this back wall over here. See some more Rams slides. Still 20 bucks. These the Romelios for weightlifting, more powerlifting, because a lot of people use the Metcons for weightlifting. 50 bucks for those. Another one of these in a bigger size, 55. Got some Crocs, go for 30. Got some Blazers right here, long-haired suede, 40. And that's about it, man. That's about it. Pretty quick trip here. None of the A Ma Manieres, which is what everybody's been looking for since y'all saw my video. Seems like everybody's out and about now. Did go back to my car real quick. I'm turning some Levi's jeans as well as some Ultra Boost. These are a size 7. I did keep the size 10 and do a review for you guys, but I'm gonna return this stuff right here. So yeah, so we're gonna of course check out a Ross. I didn't want to make a return earlier because there was a big line. There's even a bigger line now. Dang it, what the hell? Yeah, we'll look around first and then I'll do the return. Maybe I could find something worth copping. Size 10 right here, or 10.5. Got some LeBrons. Some Blazers, more LeBrons. Pegasus Trails going for 65. Some mini Cortez right here. I say mini because I think they're like a women's size. Going for 40. I've been addicted to those invincible runs. Hoping to find some more of those. Nah, this is size 11 right here. Yeah, got alarms going off. Not much worth showing. Alright, guess we gotta check out the women's section. Not too horribly exciting today. They got some men's. They clearly seen the women's. Men's LeBrons for 70. Just got a few of these Blazers. That's about it though, man. Oh, and then these Dunks right here. Yeah, I can't even tell the price. I tried moving that around. Material seems really nice on those size 7s. But yeah, nothing much else. Nothing much else. Alright, let's go home. I'm gonna return this and then let's go home and talk about these releases, man. Let's go talk about the white cement 4s. Be nosy right here, see if they got any good restock. No. Alright guys, let's talk about these 4s, you guys. I don't really have the hookups like I used to. I don't know what the hell happened. But I used to have all kinds of hookups at that mall as well as other malls. I don't really seem to have those hookups. Oh, did everybody just leave or what? What the hell happened? But yeah, the 4s, I don't really see them being super tough to get. On sneakers, if you take L, I do think that you might have a chance at a lot of the other spots. They're not going to be super easy though. You are going to have to put in work. I don't know, maybe like the metallic 5s, maybe a little easier, maybe a little easier than the metallic 5s. As long as you put in efforts, as long as you're out there on release day, I think you'll be fine. I make sure I got in every raffle that I can get into. I only stopped by one Shoe Palace because I was lazy and I had other stuff to do. But I did hit up the raffle on Dick's Sporting Goods. I hit up the raffle on Foot Locker. Oh shit, I forgot to check Champs. I know that JD did exclusive access. I don't really get exclusive access because I haven't really bought anything from JD in forever. So JD's all based on what you bought recently, and I haven't bought anything within the last few weeks, so I haven't had access to anything lately. But on release day, I'm gonna be out and about, especially if I don't get a pair of sneakers. I'm gonna try on sneakers. I'm gonna hope I hit on one of the raffles. Oh, don't forget Hibbett Sports. Those of you guys that live near DTLR and all those stores, make sure you guys hit those stores up as well. Oh, the Chic raffle. Hope you guys were able to hit up that Chic raffle as well. I definitely hit that, like I did show you guys. And I think you might be able to secure one, hopefully in one of the raffles, and then maybe on sneakers. And then if not, go to the stores. Go to the stores first thing in the morning. Hope you guys learned from my prior videos with the metallic 5s as well as the 12s, with the Flu Game 12s. If you go there early, a lot of them have been getting extra pairs, so they have been getting rid of them super early. And remember, Shoe Palace, you have to pick your pair up before noon. By noon. So hit them up after noon. Hit them up after 12. Get there before 12 and start a line. Do whatever you need to do, but be out there on release day, and I think you should be fine. I don't think they're gonna be super hard to get, but like I said, you're gonna have to put in some work. I don't think we're gonna be seeing a ton at the outlets. There might be a couple that pop up here and there, but I don't think they're gonna be super readily available at 40%. So yeah, put in your work. So that's pretty much about it. I hope you guys like this video. I know I mixed it in with all this other stuff. I know I've been trying to hit up the Burlingtons as well as the Ross. So we'll continue. We'll see what happens. But I have a video coming out for you guys tomorrow. All my members have already seen it. That's the Foot Locker outlet video, and then I'm gonna be out this weekend. Got plenty of videos coming. So yeah, see you guys. Thanks for making it to the end. I did forget to mention, you guys, $225. These bad boys are going for $225. Is the quality gonna be any better? I don't know. I think they're just getting us because they know we're gonna pay for it. Damn, dude, that's kind of crazy. $225 for a general release. That's not nubuck. That's not anything special. That's crazy. That's crazy.